What is going on, guys? Hayden back. I gotta clarify this every single time. Making another Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, and the S&P 500. And guys, I have some news for you. I truly believe the start of the correction has happened as of last night into this morning. We made a video on this yesterday saying literally any moment now, XRP is dangerously close to starting its descent to the downside in our bear flag that was forming here. This was highlighted in multiple videos since the past couple of days here, showing you that we are in an ascending fractal up, but in a much larger bear flag that's forming here. And typically how we enter this kind of ascending fractal is how we exit. And because we are retesting it just last night, and because we are at like the end of this consolidative pattern here, there is a very large chance the correction is going to happen. And as of the 4-hour chart today, and as of this morning, it appears like the descent is taking place. Now, we're going to go into whether or not this means we should be buying in this second or if we should wait a little bit longer here. I'll give you the answers to that question and that problem a little bit later in today's video, but just notice that the start of this descent is taking place as we speak, and there is plenty of room for this to start to crash and correct, so keep your eyes on that. We're also going to be looking at Solana, which as I started to look at this on the daily, I noticed there might be some sort of much smaller fractal taking place here, or triangle taking place here, which we are going to have to uncover and discuss also later on in today's video. Because if we zoom into like the hourly or the 4-hour, we might be able to uncover a new technical pattern here. Ethereum is clearly starting its descent. No surprises there. Bitcoin starting its descent yet again. No surprises there. Stock market is the only crypto that hasn't actually seen that correction just yet, although I do believe it's at any moment now we should start to see that. You can see we have drawn this kind of uptrend here where price has pretty much used this pattern to create some sort of ascending fractal here, as we keep heading higher and higher and higher. And eventually we are going to get stuck and we are going to dump. And when that dump comes, we will be able to be very prepared for it, because it almost makes sense that this dump is necessary. Not that low, right? Like to here and then rally up even higher. So I'm excited, but if you guys are excited, let me know down in the comment section below. Smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's video. Starting off, I want to check out BYDFI. For those that don't know, and I feel like a lot of people don't, but a lot of people have been signing up for this new promotion and getting the free crypto that you can see here. For the first time in like a super long time, BYDFI has actually decided to give away up to an $8,100 bonus. Usually it was like $2,500. So this is like 3 times that, which is insane. Don't know why they're feeling so nice. I think it has to do with the holidays approaching here. So you guys can actually earn up to $8,100 in free crypto with daily bonuses every single day by literally signing up for free with the link down in the description below. It's pretty insane. And what I like to do, it's kind of like chart or exchange arbitrage, where I wait for these bonuses to come around. I sign up, I make a new account, I deposit money into the account, I get the free bonus, and then I withdraw my original deposit, and then I can trade around with free bonus money for however long I want to. Just a hack there. It's called exchange arbitrage for you. But more info on BYDFI later on in today's video. To start off today's episode, though, CoinMarketCap is starting its descent. It's starting its drop. 56 on the Fear and Greed Index. As you can see here, we're down 1.14% for today, but the descent is taking place. Look at this dump, this correction. Every cryptocurrency, surprisingly, the USDT is down even a little bit here, but nothing much. But every cryptocurrency is starting its descent and its correction to the downside, which is insane. If they haven't experienced it already, they are going to here. Well, look, everything is in red for the most part. It's absolutely nuts. Market over the week is down around 5% here, and I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing the daily charts correct in the very near future as well. Now, to focus in on XRP, we've been tracking XRP on like this 4-hour chart here. That's when we really notice the bull flag or the bear flag forming here. You can see how we enter is how we exit. So because we crashed and then started to travel up, it's kind of like the eye of the storm, as I was saying yesterday here, where even though like we just had this major dump and we think things are going, well, oh, hey, we're heading up. Oh, we consolidated. It's kind of like the eye of a hurricane here, where when you're inside of it, it's as if nothing is happening. No winds, nothing. But eventually it starts to leave, and then you experience the backside or the front side of that hurricane, and the dump continues. So the havoc continues. So that's what we're going to experience probably in the very near future. This oversold right now might cause a little bit of a dip, but I do think we're going to continue to scale lower here. It's interesting because then again, we did start here. There's a very good chance we could spiral lower here. There's a very good chance. Like we started right here for this correction, and you can see on the daily chart, we're nowhere near oversold just yet. We're actually trading right at around 38, and we could go all the way as low as you can see. This last time actually was pretty nuts. It was pretty helpful here, so maybe we won't go as low, but we could easily hit 28 or 25 in the very near future. You can see though the way the ascent or the bear flag is forming here. We filled in this gap nicely. We consolidated sideways, and just today we're starting to close below our beautiful uptrend symmetrical triangle support here. If that happens, we are going to dump, and we are going to dump. We are, and dumping we are. You can see here, for the most part, this is the first candle to close or start trading below here. Now, we have in the past, let's just say close. We have in the past wicked below here. So it's not confirmed 100% just yet. There's a huge possibility, which would be lovely, is if this candle right now recedes back up and closes back above here today, well then, crisis averted temporarily here. But likelihood this happens, probably pretty slim. More than likely, we are now going to continue, close here, and then continue off tomorrow, just steamrolling to the downside here, which would suck. But there's a very good chance that that is exactly what's going to happen here. Continued this dump. This is what is called a bear flag formation here, and bear flags cause this descent and this correction. You can see bearish flag pattern, strong move down, flag up, and then strong move down again, and that is literally identical to XRP's charting right here. Expect to see this dump take place. So keep that in mind, and while you do so, we're going to take advantage of it by shorting it on BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short. More information on that in a second here, but beyond the sign-up bonus, like I showed you this, and where you can access this $8,100 with signing up down in the description below, which is free, you'll find it there. But if not, you're already a member. You click on Reward Center, and then you go to New User Benefits here. And if you scroll down, get up to $8,100, and you can see how much bonus you can earn for free by certain deposits, which is super cool. So for whales out there, you can definitely earn up to 8K and then withdraw your money right out that you deposited, and you could literally earn free cryptocurrency to trade around with. Trading around with 8K is insane. You'd have enough money on the exchange for a very long time because you can leverage cryptocurrency, which is nuts. They even have daily benefits, which is super cool. And then they have exclusive benefits, which is also super cool. So you can sign up, get all this stuff. You can use the demo trading account, 50K in demo money, to get familiar with the platform, learn to trade, learn the exchange. When you're ready, you click on live trade. You'll be brought to this website here or to the live trading page, and then you can trade around using that bonus money. So you can see I've accumulated about $133 in bonus money, which is completely free. I can't withdraw the bonus money, but I can withdraw. You can see trading profits can be withdrawn. And the cool thing is with leverage, that's pretty much like I'm trading around with $2,500, a little bit over, which is insane. That's only $130. Imagine if you had 500 in here. That's all you'd need. A little goes a long way with bonus money, which is insane. And if you lose it, who cares? Literally, who gives a shit? Because it's not your money. It's literally the exchanges here. So make sure to check that out. Now, they do have XRP to trade, but you can't use bonus money here, which is a bummer. But you can see it's pretty easy to pretty much conclude that we are going to continue our bear flag drop and sell off to the downside here. Keep your eyes peeled on that. Moving forward from XRP, Solana, you can see we kind of had this thought that there was another formation taking place here. And as I scale out, it's clear as day. It's clear as day. There's a technical pattern forming here. If I jump to the hourly, things get even clearer. You can clearly tell. I'm going to delete this line that we drew, and we're going to draw a trend, and we're going to draw another trend, and you can see the pattern here. We're going to zoom out a little bit to get it a little bit clearer. You could see something along the lines of this, and we had that top support. We jumped to the 4-hour, and guess what? It gets even more clear as we start to consolidate. So this is coming to an end very soon too. We'll keep an eye peeled on the Solana pennant flag, but this is clearly filling in the gap, and sooner or later, boom, or boom, we could dump. Boom or doom, if you know what I mean. But expect that very shortly too. But all these cryptos are getting ready for correction here. Everything, like I said, looked bearish. Ethereum rejecting off moving average, falling back inside its symmetrical triangle. Typical, wasn't surprising by any means. Bitcoin starting its descent. We adjusted that chart just yesterday here, and we're already starting our descent down and very likely going to head lower. Stock market is due for that too, but we'll see how long that takes. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.